How to wear multiple hairs in Roblox. So first of all, you just have to tap on three bars on the top left and go for this avatar. And once you are in, you just have to tap on the hairs. In order to select your hairs, you just have to tap on head and body and tap on this hair button. After that, this will show you all of the hairs collection that you have right now. So the method was, whenever you check mark any of these hairs, you just have to refresh this page and you can then select that particular second hair as well. But right now Roblox also has removed or some kind of stop this method, so you cannot do this or perform this method to wear multiple hairs at the same time. But the previous method was, you just have to refresh or reload the page again and again and then select your second hair quickly. But right now I don't know, Roblox has just some crazy features going on, so they are not allowing multiple hairs to your Roblox. So hope this helped. This is how you can wear multiple hairs in Roblox.